In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your Instagram online status from anyone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at menu and select Settings and Privacy. After that, the easiest way to find an option that allows us to hide our online status is just tap right here at search box and then enter ACT. After that, we need to search for Show Activity Status. If we get into it, we can turn off or on showing of our activity status. This option, if it is turned on, allows accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. If you want to hide your Instagram online status, just turn it off.